Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check VPN location. To get started, you want to make sure you have your VPN turned on. For the sake of this video, I'll be using Tor VPN. I'm gonna click here and I'm gonna select new private window with Tor. I'm gonna run 2 checks to make sure my VPN is working. First, I'll go to iplocation.net. Gonna click on enter. Alright, we have the page open here. So you can see this is the website, and as you can see, this is my IP location. And if you go down, you can see the IP location. It's located in Las Vegas, Nevada, US, and you can see it is not detected. So we want to also make sure there are no leaks. So I'm gonna use another website to check that, and it's gonna be ipleak.net. Want to click on enter. As you can see, the other site we checked, we saw United States, and as you can see, this is also displaying United States. By the way, this is a free VPN. Once you have your Brave browser installed on your system, you can have access to this VPN. It's very free. As you can see, I have been rerouted to the United States. I don't stay in the United States, but as you can see, this is the United States. You want to ask, is my IP address working? Yes, it is working. So as you can see, these are further details. All right. Basically, this is how to check your VPN location. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.